Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. And I want to welcome my new subscribers that joined after my latest video. I'm seriously thinking of only making affordable clothing haul videos. Apparently they do the best for my small channel. Also, I am close to 100 subscribers. I was a bit closer, but then again, you have assholes that unsubscribe. So today's video, it is a very cool one in my opinion, a very exciting one. Every asshole and their mother is doing those type of videos with huge $10,000 billion unboxings. But nobody does a reversed unboxing, so let's put these sneakers back in the box and get them out of the way. I have done all the work already. I know all the prices for these. I have looked into StockX, which by the way is in a lot of trouble right now apparently. Goat, Grailed, Farfetched. I have 18 pairs of sneakers here. Non-hyped, all of them. I do have some expensive ones right there. Some of the sneakers are not in the original boxes, that's why the prices are a bit low. And some of the sneakers, if not all of them, don't have the paper that wraps them. I know for a fact that ink from that paper bleeds into the materials, so I had to remove all that paper from all the sneakers just to keep them fresh. And another thing, which I don't really think I should mention because I shouldn't, but I will say it, everything you see here is 100% genuine, no fakes in my collection. Let's get right into it. The Solar Boost. The ISS collaboration, probably my favorite black sneaker ever. All these sneakers are size 9.5. Some of them are 10 US, like these ones. 100 euros for these. Next, the Missoni Pure Boost. Dead stock. Yeah, the other one was also dead stock with different laces because they were too boring with the stock laces. 150 euros. These are 200 or more on StockX, I know for a fact. Moving right along from StockX, this is the Adidas Pure Boost in size 10, I think. And these are 100 euros. Original US box. Another very sick sneaker, which I absolutely love. Ultra Boost 19 in this black and mint colorway. These will be 150 euros. I think these are also about 200 on StockX. Another StockX purchase. A bit dusty, and I think I wore this once. This is the Nemesis Tango 17 Plus 360 Agility Adidas Ultra Boost. I'm going to change the price to 150 euros. Moving right along with the NMD City Sock 2. These are extremely comfortable. 100 euros for these. Not in the original box. This is an Ultra Boost 19 box. And the next, another NMD City Sock 2. These would be another 100 euros. These are size 10. And moving right along with some Ultra Boost. 100 euros. This is the laceless in the chalk colorway. These are 100% dead stock, never worn, label still attached. And for 150 euros, this really sick ass laceless. I think these are about 200 or something like that on StockX, some ridiculous price. Another Ultra Boost. This is the Uncaged, completely dead stock. This cargo colorway is very sick. These would be 150 euros again. I think these also have a very ridiculous price on one of these websites. And moving right along for 100 euros, another Uncaged. This is a women's colorway, size 9.5 in men's, of course, so 10.5, yes, 10.5. Moving right along with this giant Reebok box. 150 euros for these. This is the Sock Runner, completely dead stock, alternative to the Balenciaga Speed Runner, but also very good alternative for the Vetements Reebok Sock Runner. These are size 10 US. Look at this giant box, double box. This is the Adidas Campus Crafted with all the accessories. 200 euros for these. Full leather Adidas Campus. Let's look at this tiny box. Oh yeah, all the accessories right here. Original Bape and Adidas box. Just 200 euros, which is very low. Reflective, multicolor, all suede upper, which I'm not really a big fan of. Moving along with a white box. Original Alexander Wang and Adidas Run Clean. 250 euros for these. I think these are about 400 to 500 on StockX. Beautiful, simple, clean silhouette, extremely comfortable, a Y3 box. This is the classic Kona in size L, which is 9.5 US, 10, 400 euros for these, which I think it's a very low price. Completely dead stock with the bags and the laces, the extra laces. Moving right along with another sick ass Y3 sneaker. 500 euros for these. It's the incredible and the classic Pure Boost in this sick black colorway. Completely dead stock. So let's wrap this up because my shitty ass camera just died. Sadly, these don't fit me well. It's the Reebok Vetements Sock Runner. 700 euros for these, which again, it's really low because I've seen these go for 1000 euros. Completely dead stock. One of the best colorways in my opinion, with the gum sole, the black and the burgundy and the classic Vetements. 9.5 US, 27.5 centimeters, which technically should fit me well, but because of this thick ass material and double layer, they don't. Everything in the box. 2 bags, of course. If you want to buy all these, hit me up. And that is the end of the video. Tell me what you think about this. Let me know if you want to buy something. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.